In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows 11 microphone volume too low. First, right-click the sound icon on the taskbar. Click Sound Settings. Scroll down to Input. Select your microphone. Now find Input Volume. Move the volume slider higher. Speak into your microphone and check the input level. If it is still too low, scroll down and open More Sound Settings if you see that option. Go to the Recording tab. Select your microphone. Click Properties. Go to the Levels tab. Increase the microphone level. If there is a microphone boost option, raise it carefully. Too much boost can make the audio sound noisy. Click Apply. Then click OK. Now test your microphone again, and that's it. You've now increased microphone volume in Windows 11.